Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M11. So what we need for is the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons just for short for the same time, then you will have a screenshot, and after you have your preview, you can edit the picture or share it directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short for the same time, and then let's edit the picture here with that symbol. And first of all, you can crop a part if you want. Maybe if you capture a website and just want to have a picture there or part of the text, you can do that. In our example here, it is the Google bar. We can crop just that part here. And if you want, you can also draw inside. You can change the color and so on of your pen. And after you can share this edited part here directly, or you can also save it, the edited part, to your gallery. If you just capture, if you just take a screenshot without editing, of course it goes also to the gallery. So let's check the gallery. As you can see, here are the screenshots. I had many tries already. Here's our edited one from today, and here are the other ones I did. And what is very nice here at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder. So here you have just your screenshots in there. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe it's the next time. Ciao.